In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lip sync with HeyGen AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an existing audio track and have HeyGen automatically match an avatar's mouth movements to it. We'll go from a blank browser tab to a generated video inside the HeyGen AI studio, keeping things simple and clear the whole way. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen. You'll see the official HeyGen site appear in the results. Click through to the HeyGen website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and choose Projects. This is your command center where all your drafts and final renders live, so it's a good habit to start here. Next, click New Video. This begins a fresh project. When the options appear, choose Create a Video, and then select Create in AI Studio. That opens the editor where you'll do your lip sync setup. Think of the AI Studio as your canvas. You'll see areas for your video preview, timeline, and key controls. Now it's time to bring in your voice track. Click Upload Audio. For best results, pick a clean, high-quality recording. MP3 or WAV, both work well. Reduce background noise if you can, and make sure you have the right to use this audio. Select the file from your computer and give it a moment to upload. Once the file appears, click Add Audio. This places your track onto the timeline so the system can use it for lip syncing. Double-check the start and end of your audio to ensure there's no long silence at the beginning. Trimming silence beforehand can speed up processing and improve alignment. If your audio is very quiet or very loud, consider normalizing it before you upload to help the model catch every syllable. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate. HeyGen will analyze the waveform and automatically match the avatar's mouth shapes, timing, and expressions to your speech. This step can take a little time, depending on the length of your clip. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing while it works. Finally, click Submit to confirm the generation. HeyGen will render your video with the synced lips. When it finishes, review the playback. If you notice any minor mismatches, it usually helps to improve the audio clarity or remove background noise, then repeat the same steps. And that's it. Your audio is now driving a clean, professional lip sync in HeyGen's AI Studio.